Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Timb Bomb here in Kentucky on this General Lee. Show you what we got here. Had a problem with it. Ended up being the voltage regulator in a cap. Took care of it. I'll show you that it's back up to par. Low power, 5-watt slug, 1 watt, as requested. High power, 4.5 watts as requested. We've got average power, 100-watt slug. Low audio, 24, 25 watts of average power. Let's go to the peak side. Bottom scale. Low 70 watts. Low 70 watts. Alright, Timb Bomb, it's fixed, ready to go back in the dump truck. Enjoy it, my friend. Truck CB Sales, gmail.com. Got down. Bomb.